Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com and welcome to week 5 of the 12 weeks of Halloween. And this week we'll be making this easy little treat pouch using the Spooky Sweets bundle from the Stampin' Up! Holiday catalog. I love this combo of the stamp set and this bat punch. It's really cute and I want to show you how to make this, and it can hold just about any kind of the mini Halloween treats. These are Yum Earth organic gummy fruits. I know that you can order these on Amazon. I got these at Home Goods, but you can put Kit Kats in them, the little miniature Kit Kats. Any of the Halloween pack candy will fit in here nicely. So let's get started. Move this out of the way. And I have a piece of the Toil and Trouble Designer Series paper, and it's cut at 4 by 6, okay? And if you'll have to make note if your pattern on it has directionality, because we'll be scoring along what will be the bottom. And so I'm going to be using the stripe side, but if you were using this little ghost, you would put the bottom down here. So let me get my Simply Scored scoring tool. And we'll go ahead and turn this around with those little ghosts going up. And I'm going to score first at 1.5 inches with this 6-inch side up. So let me get this where we could see it. 1.5 inches. And then 4 1/4 inches. All right. Then we're going to turn it. And again, your bottom would be over here to the left, and score at 1/2 inch. Okay, so super easy scoring and cutting. So I'm going to fold on all these score lines and give it a crease before we do some trimming and cutting. All right, so here's our 1/2 inch bottom, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my snips and cut up on these 2 center score lines here. You can see them better here. All right. And then I'm going to take and cut off both of the side rectangles. Okay. And then let me just cut up a little angle like this and like this. And then we can put it together. So I'm going to fold over, and this is going to overlap there. So I'm going to take a little bit of my liquid glue and just put a scant line here. Fold that over and hold it for just a bit. And then we'll put some on this bottom tab. Now I'm going to be using some of the glitter organdy ribbon on this. So I want to have a little stickiness here to hold that down when I do that ribbon treatment. So I'm going to take this glue and I'm just going to put a little in the center, little squiggle marks like that. And I'm going to set that aside and let it get a little tacky, okay? So I'm going to put that there, and we're going to do some stamping. So I have a scrap piece of Whisper White cardstock here, and I have this little distressed cloud looking image, and I'm going to take my gorgeous grape, and we're going to be doing some stamping off so that the image is not so bold and we can see our sentiment a little easier. So let's ink this up, and I just got my hand in the ink, so I'm going to be really careful with that. And I'm going to stamp off twice, okay, and then I'm going to stamp just right here. Okay, I'm going to be punching a circle, and then I'm going to go ahead and punch my 1 3/4 inch circle just like this. Okay, now we can finish our stamping, and I'm taking the moon from that stamp set and my Daffodil Delight. I'm going to ink this up. Okay, And then I'm going to stamp off again. And then I can decide how I want this. So I'm going to put it just right here on this edge, and it fits just perfectly there. Now let's put our sentiment, and on this one I'm going to put no tricks, just treats. And so I'm going to do that in black, in our Tuxedo Black Memento ink. So ink that up, and then I'm just going to stamp over here on this side. Perfect. All right. So now we have that, and I'm going to back that with a 2-inch Gorgeous Grape circle. You can see where I've made quite a few of these. Gave them to my club members last night for my swaps. And then that's going to go over top there. When I made 8 of these yesterday, I believe, and I did it all in stages. Like I cut and scored all my base pocket, and then I did all of my stamping and doing here. It really went together easily. So if you need to make quite a few of these, this is the way to go. All right, so have that there. Let's bring this back in and get our ribbon, and I just leave it on the spool, and I'm going to just do this back and forth zigzag ribbon treatment. And the glue is still wet, but a little more tacky than just goopy wet. And it helps hold that ribbon in place. And I'll trim it off. And I don't have, here are my ribbon scissors. Okay. And now I can take this stamped image, and I'm going to glue it, put it over top, just like that, and that covers that glue that I put down to hold the ribbon. All right, let's get that done. I'm going to hold that down a bit. All right. So now what I want to do is take this gorgeous black foil paper. I love it. It's so shiny and slick. And I'm going to take our bats, our bat punch, and just punch those 3 bats out. And then I'm going to just scatter them over top. And you can see just each, that's so easy to punch those out, but it adds so much to this project. So I've got that one there, and then I'm going to put this small one down here. And then this one with its wings going down. It's going to go right here. Okay, and now I've got some of our rhinestones, and I've got my Daffodil Delight Dark Stampin' Blends, and I'm just going to color 3 of these to match my project, kind of to stand for little stars in the sky, and just scatter these out. So I'm going to put one here, and then take another one up here, and then another one here. Whoops. I think I'm going to put it right there. Okay, and now let me go ahead and show you. I just took, if your bag is a little large, you can fold it in half and just slide it in. And there is your week 5 Halloween treat. Okay, I hope you'll give those a try. If you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website so you can see the details and measurements there. And I will see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.